Daddy and Mama's house. Go!
Alright, I put change oil in it 2 days ago. Filled that up. That went pretty good. I showed you, I made a video on putting this cover on here because I couldn't find a cover for it. It has not run, I would say, been here 5 years, so it's been 5 years. Yesterday I put some new fuel in it, a little bit, in case it doesn't run. Got the bag on, and we're going to see if it starts up after 5 years. Alright, says you got to push the little plunger 3 times. I think I go for 5. Alright, then you got to put this guy on, and we'll see if it fires up. Wow. Hey, what happened to it? Run out of gas? I don't believe that it started up.
Do 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 do.
Wow, that's hard to believe that it started up. I think I got enough gas in there. Yeah, that's enough gas. Why? Did it quit? Yeah. Hopefully it didn't foul plug or something. Great. Well, here's what happened. I had this problem before when I was running. The safety thing comes out because the bag is just old and clogged. Now look. Yeah, let me open it up some. Alright, got a little bit of the bag unzipped, but what I'm going to do is I'll just have to keep my hand on this guy if it comes up. Let's try it again.